Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show a record type pick list on a Salesforce Flow screen. This is incredibly useful when you need users to select a specific record type before creating or updating records in Salesforce. Let's jump right in and walk through this step by step. First, go to Salesforce and click the App Launcher, which is the waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. Once that opens, type Flows in the search bar and select Flows from the results. This will take you to the Flow Builder, where you'll manage all your automation processes. Now click New to start creating a fresh flow from the options that appear. Select Screen Flow. This type of flow is perfect for building interactive screens that guide users through a process. Once your screen flow is open, you'll see a simple canvas with a start node and an end node. Click the plus icon between these two nodes to add a new element. From the interaction section, click Screen. This is where you'll build the user interface for your flow. Let's start by naming the header. In the label field, type header and keep the API name as suggested by Salesforce. This creates a clean organizational structure for your screen. Next, scroll through the components list on the left side of the screen. Search for Picklist and click on Picklist to add it to your screen. This component will display the record type options to your users. Now configure the Picklist. In the label field, type record type and the API name will auto-populate based on what you've entered. To ensure users can't proceed without making a selection, check the Require checkbox. This makes the field mandatory. Here's where things get interesting. Scroll down to the Configure Choices section and click the drop-down below Choice. From there, select Plus New Choice Resource. This allows you to dynamically populate the pick list with record types. In the dialog that appears, click Record Choice Set. This is the key to pulling record type data directly from Salesforce. In the API name field, type Account Record Types, and for Object, select Record Type. This tells Salesforce you're working with record type records. Now you need to filter which record types to show. Set the field to subject type, the operator to equals, and the value to account. If you're working with a different object like contact or opportunity, replace account with your object's API name. This filter ensures only the relevant record types appear in your pick list. Next, configure how the choices will be displayed. Select Name for Choice Label so users see the record type name and ID for choice value, so the flow captures the record type ID when a selection is made. Click Done to save the record choice set. Click Done again to save the screen element. Now it's time to save the entire flow. Click Save, enter the flow label Record Type Picker, and click Save once more. If you're ready to use this flow immediately, click Activate to make it live. And that's it. You've successfully created a flow screen that displays a dynamic record type pick list, allowing users to choose the appropriate record type before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.